Welcome to Singapore, a dazzling city-state where history, culture, and modernity come together in perfect harmony. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll take you on a journey through the top 10 must-visit places in this vibrant city, from historical landmarks to the cutting-edge attractions that define its future. Let's begin our journey through time and innovation. Let's start with a step back in time at the National Museum of Singapore, the nation's oldest museum. Established in 1887, it's home to fascinating exhibits that explore Singapore's colonial past, its path to independence, and its rise as a global hub. A visit here offers a glimpse into the rich tapestry of history that has shaped the Singapore we know today. Next, we move to Chinatown, where history and culture thrive. From its roots as a settlement for Chinese immigrants, Chinatown remains a vibrant testament to Singapore's multicultural heritage. Explore ancient temples like the Sri Mariamman Temple, shop for unique trinkets at the Chinatown Street Market, and taste the mouth-watering local dishes like chili crab and satay. Now let's head to Kampong Glam, the heart of the Malay and Muslim community in Singapore. Here, the majestic Sultan Mosque stands tall, and the streets are lined with quaint boutiques, traditional textiles, and aromatic spices. Kampong Glam is a perfect blend of old-world charm and contemporary culture. Coming in at number 4 is the awe-inspiring Gardens by the Bay. This futuristic garden features the iconic Super Tree Grove, towering vertical gardens that light up the night sky, and the Flower Dome, which houses plants from all over the world. Gardens by the Bay is a perfect fusion of nature and technology, a testament to Singapore's commitment to sustainability. At number 5, we have Marina Bay Sands, the crown jewel of Singapore's skyline. With its luxurious hotel, world-class casino, shopping mall, and the stunning infinity pool atop the sky park, this landmark has become synonymous with Singapore's modern luxury. Don't forget to enjoy the panoramic views of the city from the observation deck. It's a sight you won't forget. Next, we move to Sentosa Island, Singapore's ultimate playground. From thrilling rides at Universal Studios to relaxing on pristine beaches, Sentosa is where fun and adventure await. You can visit the Sea Aquarium, one of the world's largest aquariums, or even take a walk on the adventurous Skywalk at the Mega Adventure Park. At number 7 is the world-renowned Singapore Zoo, often called the best zoo in the world. Its open-concept design allows you to get up close with animals and habitats that mimic their natural environments. For a truly unique experience, don't miss the night safari, where you can explore the zoo's nocturnal creatures after dark. Number 8 brings us to the Singapore Botanic Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This lush, 160-year-old garden is an oasis in the heart of the city, featuring beautiful landscapes, tranquil lakes, and a world-class orchid garden. It's a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle. At number 9 is Orchard Road, Singapore's famous shopping street. Whether you're looking for high-end designer boutiques, local brands, or international labels, Orchard Road has it all. Beyond shopping, the street is lined with dining options and entertainment, making it a must-see for any visitor. And now at number 10, we have the iconic Merlion Park, a symbol of Singapore. The mythical Merlion, with the head of a lion and the body of a fish, represents the city's humble beginnings as a fishing village and its transformation into a prosperous lion city. It's the perfect spot to capture that postcard-perfect photo with Marina Bay Sands in the background. From historical landmarks to stunning natural beauty and modern wonders, Singapore truly offers something for everyone. Whether you're interested in exploring its rich heritage, soaking in futuristic landscapes, or indulging in world-class shopping and dining, the Lion City never fails to impress. Thanks for joining us on this quick tour of the top 10 places to visit in Singapore. We hope this inspires you to start planning your own adventure in this incredible city. See you in Singapore!